Core Java concepts, variables and data types, int, float, double, boolean, char, string, control statements, if, else, switch, for, while, do, while. OOP concepts, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, exception handling, try, catch, finally, throw, throws, collection, list, set, map, queue, array, list, hash map, linked list, multi-threading, thread class, runnable interface, synchronization, public class, hello world, public static void main, string data type args array in braces system.out.println hello world semicolon Java IO or JDBC, file handling, file reader, buffered reader, file writer, JDBC steps, load driver, connect DB, create statement, execute query, close connection. Example, connection con drive is equal driver manager dot get connection parenthesis double quote JDBC colon MySQL colon double forward slash localhost slash DB comma double quote user comma double quote pass. Statement stmt is equal con dot create statement method semicolon results at rs is equal to stmt dot execute query parenthesis double quote select asterisk from user semicolon. J2EE basics servlets a Java class that handles HTTP requests do get or do post. JSP Java code in HTML dynamic page generation. JDBC in web app connect servlet or JSP to database. Example servlet public class my servlet extends HTTP servlet braces protected void do get parenthesis HTTP servlet request space REQ comma HTTP servlet response per res throws IO exception in braces res dot get writer method dot println parenthesis double quote hello from servlet semicolon. J2EE frameworks overview Spring dependency injection MVC framework REST APIs. Spring Boot auto configuration embedded server easy microservices. Hibernate ORM framework to map Java objects to DB tables. Starts MVC framework using action classes and XML config. Example Spring Boot REST controller at the rate REST controller public class hello controller in braces at the rate get mapping parenthesis double quote slash hello public string say hello method in braces return double quote hello Spring Boot semicolon. Web technologies HTML or CSS or JS front tech for UI JSP or servlet server side logic Ajax or REST APIs asynchronous communication. Example fetch in parenthesis double quote slash API slash users dot then response implies response dot JSON method dot then data implies console dot log parenthesis data. Deployment and best practices WAR file web application archive for deployment on servers like Tomcat. Logging use Log4j or SLF4j. Security authentication authorization using Spring Security. Tips useful meaning use meaningful variable or method names. Follow design patterns like singleton factory MVC. Optimize queries and code for performance.